The most important thing to me is that we can keep this craft alive and those cars that we're building so that we can hand down to future generations. So Autofarm's been in existence since 1973. We've been going just over 50 years now, of which 25 of those I've been involved in the business. One of Autofarm's avenues has been restorations, and part of that process is the restorative work that goes into the main body shell of the car. We have been fortunate enough to work with a company called Chesterton Coachworks, who have been very long established. They've done our metalwork for the last 25 years. The reason we've decided to bring metalwork in-house is because Chesterton Coachworks were at the pinnacle of their trade, but equally they were at the point of retirement. Bringing this to Autofarm now feels like the right time for us. It's a skill that we can transfer to a younger generation. It's also a skill that we can bring into the main workshop through the day-to-day work that we'll be executing here. It's a significant investment, but it pays dividends, and it's a constant investment that we will continue to make as this area develops and grows. We now have the control over what we're doing, and if each person at each juncture in the restoration process, we've got a much wider view and greater control over how that build is executed from start to finish. The restoration process is a big journey. It's a big commitment from the client that's asked us to do the job. It's a thoroughly rewarding process for both us and the client, but equally the interfacing of what we execute and what they want us to achieve has to be in perfect harmony. It requires a lot of to and froing and coming back and forth and us understanding what they want, as well as deploying our knowledge for what we've done for the last 50 years. The journey a restoration car goes on with us all starts from the initial inspection and the original project brief in line with what the owner requires. There's a lot to learn from the car that you actually start with. If you take a particular model, we know lots of nuances that each car and each model has, where they change through generational years or spec changes. The work that goes into these body shells is really important to me, and it's only worth doing if it's done 100% correct, as it would have been in the factory at the period. I want more people to come and do what we do and enjoy it, as well as people bringing cars to us to come and do what we love doing, and they can go off and drive it and enjoy it, hand it down through the family, and be part of this fantastic community.